Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Just like I said before that we will be discussing cryptocurrency and other legit online businesses that we can actually do to earn good amount of money. In this video, we will be discussing an important and lucrative legit online business in Nigeria and beyond called Recharge and Get Paid. What is it all about? Recharge and Get Paid is a Nigerian-owned telecom company headquartered in Abuja and duly registered with the Corporate Affairs Commission and licensed by the Nigerian Communications Commission to carry out telecoms-related businesses. Recharge and Get Paid is a platform that helps create wealth for people. This is the message from the company itself, that their mission is to provide safe and secure place where a life-changing income can be built. Their company is the simplest, easiest, and fastest way to achieving wealth. Help you set up Plan B financially and earn residual income seamlessly. Our premier product is recharge cards of all networks, which from our research is the most frequent and widely used product globally. It is quite surprising how telecoms have grown in contrast to a decade ago. In 2005, the Nigerian telecommunications sector had over 19 million subscribers, but at the end of 2016, it has grown to a total of 154 million. The drop in the cost of SIM cards and advent of smartphones are the major reason for this rapid growth, as people can now do businesses on the go. It is simply a visual top-up company. All you need to do is sell recharge cards, data, recharge cable, and pay bills to get rewarded in each transaction you make. You begin to wonder that all banks in Nigeria have become VTU vendors by selling airtime via VTU on all their channels, and they are seriously advertising this business. In fact, some banks have deployed USSD codes to sell airtime. So, if this business is not profitable, then why will the banks invest so much into it? If banks will be selling recharge card and data via VTU and be earning so much money, you also can do it. There are much advantages of owning your own VTU platform. You will recharge for your own personal use, earn on your recharge, and save cost of bank charges through SMS. You profit on your personal purchase of airtime. You will earn 2% of each airtime you recharge to your own self and earn 10% of each money you use to purchase any data to your own self. You will also earn 2% of every recharge cards you sell to any customer of any network, and also 10% of every data you sell to any customer of any network. So you can see there is so much to earn in this platform. Average banks in Nigeria earn 30 billion naira annual profit on VTU business. With the huge profit made from telecom industry, how much goes into your pocket? Do you even make money when you buy and use airtime and data? This is a golden opportunity for you. You can do it. If banks are doing it, it means it's very lucrative. You self can do it. The most amazing things about Recharge and Get Paid is that you can now make millions of naira by simply buying and using airtime and data yourself. You can vend VTU to yourself, family and friends, save costs, and see earn on all your recharge and theirs. We have talked much about the importance and benefit of this Recharge and Get Paid. The big question is, how can it be done? Just like I said before, that Recharge and Get Paid is a telecommunication business registered in Nigeria. To become a VTU vendor, you need to register and create an account with Recharge and Get Paid. There are different levels of registration plan / package with their registration fees. Each of these plans and packages has its own benefit attached. The registration plan starts from basic plan with the registration fee of 5,000. Other plans are, the table you are seeing contain all the registration plan and package. The plan starts from the smallest, which is the basic plan with the registration fee of 5,000, and extend to bronze, silver, gold, diamond, and platinum. And you can see the registration fee listed and the sign-up bonus if you are registered to any of the plan. Your sign-up bonus will be deposited into your account once your registration fee is paid. And you can see all the bonuses attached to each plan. You can also extend and upgrade your plan in your account after registration, so you can start from any plan or package that you can afford, and later if you wish to extend or upgrade your plan to any package you wish to. Note that the registration fee is for the company. You only get back 20% of your registration fee as sign-up bonus depending on the plan you registered. The 20% of your sign-up bonus will be deposited into your recharge and get paid account once it is created. The sign-up commission, which is 20%, is just the 20% of the registration fee you paid of the package you choose. You earn 20% of your own personal sign-up fee. For example, if your registration fee is 50,000, so your sign-up percentage of 50,000 is 10,000, and this 10,000 will be deposited into your recharge and get paid account, of which from you can withdraw it or you can start using it to sell as a recharge card and be getting your normal percentage attached to each card you sell and data. There are two main ways of making money from recharge and get paid. One is by advertising the company to get bonuses from the registration fee of anyone you introduced to the company. You earn 20% direct referral commission for anyone you refer directly to recharge and get paid, irrespective of your own registration fee. For example, if you refer Kate, who registered with 50,000, your direct referral commission is 20% of Kate's registration fee. Let's assume that Kate registered with 50,000. You will get 10,000 in your own recharge and get paid account as referral commission from Kate's registration fee. There are also indirect referral commissions from 10% down to 1%. Indirect downlines are people referred by your direct downlines down to 9th level. For example, you referred Kate, you earn 20% of Kate's registration fee. Then if Kate referred Bose, you earn 10% of Bose's registration fee. Bose referred Ayo, you earn 5% of Ayo's registration fee. It will go like that to down to the 9th level. The percentage get to 1. You can see that there are a list of bonuses to earn by referring people or introducing people to the company. The second way of making money from recharge and get paid is by selling recharge cards of all network in Nigeria, selling data of all network and paying bills and recharging cables. There are also bonuses attached to the airtime and data you sell. If you make any sales of airtime and data from your own personal account, you will get 2% of each airtime you sell from your personal account and 10% of each data you sell from your personal account. Then from those ones you refer to the company, you will get 0.35% of each airtime they sell and 1% of each data they sell also. What is needed to set up a VTU business is just a laptop or a mobile phone that can access the internet. Pay your registration fee of any package you want to start from, create your account, fund it, and start selling cards and data of all network to make extra income. I know you might be thinking whether this really pay. If all the banks in Nigeria are doing this business, it means that yes, it really pay. It doesn't matter how you start. You can start small and gradually you'll be surprised how long you have gone. Just start small. You'll be surprised, and the income will be coming gradually. We have said much to convince ourselves about this company. It really paid. The big question now is, how can I become a member? How can I create my account and be part of this great opportunity? You can become part of this great opportunity by visiting the head office of Recharge and Get Paid at Central Business District opposite NNPC Mega Station, Abuja. You can also visit the official website at www.rechargeandgetpaid.com to create your account. If you visit the website and you want to create the account, please use Solomon Tochi as your referrer. For more inquiries, you can equally contact me through this video by commenting on whatever you want to know about Recharge and Get Paid, and you will be attended to. You can also contact me via call or WhatsApp on 081 01 14 0809 for registration and funding of your account. Special announcement: Recharge and Get Paid is now in Cameroon. The business is expanding rapidly. Be part of it to enjoy the great benefits. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel to get notified whenever we drop another amazing video on legit online businesses. You may not like this one, but you might like the next one. Hit the subscription button. Bye.